What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We are back with another weekly swing trading ideas. I know that last week I wasn't able to make a video, and if you watch my first video of this week, you see that this was because I was on the trip, so I was not able to get some time to make a video. But we are back this week with new trading ideas. But before we start the new trades that we're gonna be looking into this week, we just go and review the past trades. So the first one was GBP NZD, this pair right here, and I believe that what I was looking for this pair was for it to kind of break above this level, which was kind of like a resistance here. So I was looking for it to break it, retest it, so we can go long, but as you can see, we did not do that and we broke down. And on the 4-hour, you can see that we are clearly on the downtrend. So for me, this pair, for me to be looking for longs, I will need something like this, and then I can look for longs position here. So GBP NZD, this is not a pair that I will be looking this week. Maybe if we can come down on this level, maybe strip this low, if we can do something like this, it can present some buying opportunities, because I still believe that on the higher time frame, the daily, if you take, we can see something like this, and then for the next push up. So GBP NZD, I think we can still look for longs, but wait for price to come here and show us that it wants to go higher. The next one that I was looking was AUD NZD. This is the trade, and I think I'm personally in this trade, but it's not moving right now. But as you can see, this is clearly on the daily uptrend, so I'm looking for the next higher high, and the daily time frame, you can even see here, if you can consider this a change of character, something like this retest. But I don't like how price is reacting on this level. So if we are able to break this, maybe I can add to some position after we do something like this. So AUD NZD is a trade I'm in, and we see if it's gonna play out. The next one was USD CAD, and we got this trade, we kill it. This was the exact entry. If you watch my video, I was telling you guys to look for short opportunities on this level. So we broke this, we retested it, and this is the order block that hold it, and we push down. So there is still some downside on this pair, and I will keep it in my radar also this week. And let me go into the 4-hour. Maybe we can see some clear. For example, if we look at this, we have this break, and we have some kind of we have this 4-hour order block. So if price comes to this level, we can look for short opportunities. So USD CAD is still good for shorting, but wait for price to pull more. Let me take my fib, and if I go like the 0.61, this can be a good level for shorting. So I will keep this pair in my radar, and I think you guys can keep it also in your radar, and it can present some good trading opportunities. For this week, the first pair that I'll be looking gonna be USD CAD, or I mean AUD CAD. This is the pair, and you can see how I already have my charts layout like this. Let me clean up some stuff here. This is the pair right now, and you can see that we are clearly on the uptrend on the daily time frame. So this is the lower high, and then we are pushing. And what I'm looking right now is for this pair to, if we can come back here, that will be the best place to enter for a long position, something like this. Where is my something like this? This can be like the best place to go longs. And if I take my fib, let's see. If I take my fib like this, you can see that we are gonna be around the 0.5. So if we can pull back here, that would be the best place for entry. But the way price is moving, I think that this might just retrace on this level and continue. So I will have two places to enter. The first one gonna be here, so we'll always look for confirmation. The first one gonna be here, and the next one gonna be here if you will fell through. So audcad to the long side, so keep it on your radar, and it can present some money making trade idea for you guys this week. The next one that I'll be looking, let me our gbpchf, and you can see that we have a beautiful reaction. This is really beautiful, and I think that next week just a pullback. Some you see we swipe this liquidity, we have this daily order block here, and we have this bearish engulfing. It's true that's above the 50 daily, but I think taking short on this trade and this pair shouldn't be a bad idea. And if I look into the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we broke, and if we can come, we retest like this kind of neckline, something like this, we can take short in this pair. And also if you see it's reacting to this 4-hour order block, so gbpchf, this is a pair that I'm really interested to the downside next week, and I will keep it in my radar, and if I have a signal to take a short position, I will do so. So gbpchf to the downside, keep it in your radar, and hopefully we can make some money. The next pair that I'll be looking gonna be silver. This pair I missed a trade on this when it was when it came down here. This candle, I was trying to take a long position, but I was thinking that maybe we can just swipe this before we go higher, so I did not take. And since then we have been rallying to the upside. You can see that we made contact with the upper bound, which is a resistance, and if we can pull back to this, I'm ready to go longs. And for silver, I'm trying to, in my Robinhood account, I'll be looking to buy some lips calls that I'll be looking to buy. And as you can see, if we are able to pull to this 50 level, something like this, I think this is gonna be a really good place to take long position. So silver, keep in your radar, and I think it's gonna be really good. And another thing that you can look is maybe we break through, and if we retest, we can take long. Silver, I'm looking for longs in the forex space, and also I'll be looking to buy calls on my Robinhood account lips. Mostly it's going to be expiring in 2026, and if I take the trades, I will share it with you guys. So these are the 3 trades that I'll be looking for this week: audcad, silver, gbpchf, and maybe USD card. So thanks for watching, and I hope we make some money this week. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I hope you have a wonderful week of trading. I will see you in the next video. Take care.